In front of me is a Honor 20E, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be turned off by default. So if the same thing applies to you, you can simply tap on this pencil icon right here, and from here you should have, there we go, hotspot somewhere in here. So once you find it, you want to grab it by holding it and then drag it over to the top, drop it, go back, and now it's accessible right here, as you can see. So from here, simply hold it the first time around. This will allow you to customize how it functions. And additionally, you do want to also navigate into the hotspot settings right here, because we do have a password set by default, which is some randomly generated trash, which you can see right over here. So what I recommend you to do is simply tap on it, remove the old password, and set your own password. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. So there we go. And you can simply tap on save, and you're done with configuring it. Now one little thing in addition, as you can see right here, you have the hotspot name. This is the name that you will be looking for in the Wi-Fi list. Now once you have customized your hotspot, you can simply find the toggle once again, tap on it to turn it on, and now you have access to your hotspot. And once you're done with it, tap on it again to turn it off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.